Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're going to start by eliminating quick failures. Confirm the headphones have power or the cable is solid, then plug in or pair them. Once connected, set the device volume above 0 and unmute, then play a short known good audio clip so you get immediate feedback. Next, open your system sound output selector and pick the headphone device. This ensures the operating system routes audio correctly. If the device doesn't appear, move to the next diagnostic steps to identify connection or driver issues. Now focus on the middle-level causes. Open your device manager or sound preferences to confirm the audio driver is installed and current. Install updates if available. If wired, try a different port or another headset to isolate whether the jack or the headphones are faulty. For Bluetooth, remove the device from pairings, restart Bluetooth, and pair again. This clears cached connection errors. If software appears broken, reinstall the audio driver or apply the OS audio troubleshooting tool to repair configuration and service issues. Finish by verifying system audio services are running, codecs aren't blocked, and the application you're using is set to output to the headphones. If issues persist, perform an OS audio reset or boot safe mode to rule out third-party conflicts. For Bluetooth headphones, try a factory reset on the headset itself. Once done, test on another computer or phone to determine whether the problem follows the headphones. Tip: if failure repeats on multiple devices, contact manufacturer, support with model, and error symptoms for warranty repair.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.